everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Today I am going to review a new launch product which is from Maybelline. It is this primer. It is their Fit Me. It is Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth. It is for normal to dry skin. You all can see. Okay, it is their Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Normal to Dry Skin. It includes, they say it is enriched with vitamin E. Primer with vitamin E, that is what is mentioned on the box. It is it comes in this kind of black glossy box with purple lilac color writing on it. And on the back side, when you flip the box, on the back side they have given you each and every specifications like Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth primer for normal to dry skin. Okay, there are 3 total benefits which is mentioned on the box. It hydrates the skin, vitamin E infused formula to add instant dewy glow finish, lightweight creamy texture blend for smooth makeup. Application, what they have specified is wear alone or under the makeup. As you all know, we all wear primer under the makeup. Yeah, and over here they have given you all the specifications like how much it contains. The MRP of this product is 499 rupees. I got this product from Nykaa, and when I purchased it, it was on 20% launch offer or something. So I got this primer at 399 rupees. The net content in this is 30 ml. That is the normal content. Okay, the shelf life, actually the manufactured is in August 20 and the expiry will be August 23. The shelf life will be for 3 years. And as you all know, all the Maybelline products are manufactured in China. So if you are someone who would not like to support or something, then definitely you can skip this primer. But on my channel, I have to review each and every maximum, like whichever comes under my budget and whichever I feel will be helpful and useful for you. So I have to review. So that is why I have got this product. Okay, it comes in this kind of a black tube. You all can see it is a black tube with a lilac color font. Okay, same details is given over here. Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Normal to Dry primer with vitamin E, everything. And over on the back side, on the tube, basically over here on the crimp, you can find the manufacturing over here. I don't know whether the camera will capture, but over here they have given you all the detail, that is the expiry and all. But if you are someone who cannot read it properly or who find it difficult, then I will suggest you keep this box, otherwise there will be difficult. It will be, or you have to make a tag and something stick on this, because besides the crimp, there is nowhere specified the expiry. So if you want, you can make a tag, or else you can keep the box for the expiry. Okay, on the back side it is just over here mentioned Maybelline Inc. New York, then the New York code is given, USA, made in China, 30 ml. That is all specifications are given on the tube. Now what I'll do is, I'll just take a little bit, I apply it on my left over here, and then I'll compare both the things. Okay, I'll show you the texture, how it looks. You all can see it is kind of a creamy texture. I'll just blend. See, you all can see I have blended it properly. Now you all can see over here, or else side by side. I'm not sure whether how much the camera will capture. This is with primer and this is without primer. I'll try to keep this way also, right? Can you see? This is giving me a shiny effect. It is not at all tacky. So if you want a primer which is tacky feeling, then this primer is not that. This is not tacky. This is creamy texture, and it will give you a dewy effect. You all can see without primer, right? So this is what the texture of the primer is. Now what I will do is, I will now show you the demo. On my left hand side it will be with primer, on my right hand side it will be without primer, so that you can easily make out what is the difference and how it goes. Also in the description box the timestamps will be mentioned. So if you are here only for a particular timestamp, just go towards the timestamp and watch the demo, because otherwise then you will feel I am talking too much. Basically I have included each and everything in this. Yes, I forgot to tell you, there is one more included, that is there is one more variant which is also there, and that is for oily skin. It is the matte and poreless primer. So if you want something matte finish, if you have oily skin, you can go for that, and I guess that is If I'm not wrong, that is the green one, and this is the lilac one. What I got is the lilac one because I have dry skin, and both the costing and each and everything is same, only that is for oily skin and this is for dry skin. So you can decide. This is for normal to dry skin. So if you are between normal and dry, you can go for this, or if you are for oily and combination, I guess, then you can go for that as well. Now I will just include the demo part after this. Yes, now my skin is already prepped. What I will do is I will try to make it in a different way. On the half part of my face, I will apply the primer, and the half part I will not apply any primer, so that you will come to know the difference. So what I'll do is, on my left hand side I will apply primer, and on my right hand side I will totally skip the primer. So I will do that. I'll just take a little bit of primer, that is the dewy and smooth one, a little bit, and I'm just applying on my left hand side. I have not taken much. Just taking a little bit to apply on my nose, because primer goes a long way. Now y'all can see the difference. On my left hand side I have applied the primer, and on the right hand side I have not applied any primer. Y'all can immediately see the difference, right? This one is little bit glowing, this one is not that glowing. Now what I'll do is I'll just wait for 5 minutes, then I'll come back again that how it looks after 5 minutes. Yeah, it's more than 3 minutes, so that is more than enough time to settle a primer. Okay, now what I'll do is I apply the foundation in front of you, then I'll go off the camera, I'll apply full face of makeup, and I'll come back. So I'm just applying the foundation right now. It is this one. It is from Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation. I'm applying the shade. I'm using the shade 42 Glaze, because majority of you have liquid foundation, and that is why today I am not going with my regular Makeup Revolution Fast Press Stick. I'm not using that because lot of you, actually in this the dropper is not working properly. That is why I am applying like this. I don't know, there's something wrong with the dropper. Now I apply the foundation. On my right I have used the butt. Now on the right side, because I want to change and I want to show you, so I will use my tip, that is the top part. Generally I don't use this to blend my foundation, but today I will do it. I don't know how much the camera will do the justice, but y'all can easily see, because in person I can see in the mirror this side is purely glowy. That is the effect which I want from my foundation, and this is a little bit matte, kind of giving me a matte kind of effect. Not total, but of course little matte. So y'all can see left hand side with primer and right hand side without primer. Now what I'll do is I'll just go off the camera, come with full face of makeup. Yes, now I'm back with the full face of makeup. Y'all can see on my left hand side, it is like in the mirror also I can see it is giving me a dewy glowy effect, whereas on my right hand side I can see it's not total matte, but not that dewy effect what I always want in my primer. So that is what the main effect and that is what the main difference is, and I just wanted to show you that difference only, that what kind of a difference a dewy primer can make. So y'all can totally make out, and that is why I have done half and half, with without. right? And I think my this kind of review is of little bit of help. If yes, then please don't forget to give it a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then yes, what you're waiting for, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, also hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family. And if you have any other video request which you want me to make a video on, then definitely do let me know in the comment section. I also will leave my Instagram handle in the comment section, in the description box. So if you want to send me directly any message or anything, or any other video request, or in general if you want to ask me anything, you can DM me on Instagram. As I told you, the link of the same will be in the description box. And yeah, I think you'll like this video. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.